Welcome back to another video here as we learn to unlock ChatGPT and generative AI for the public sector. In this video, we're going to dive into a new tool that I just recently learned about, a tool called Vscoped. Now, what this does is it allows us to take videos and to transcribe them. So what we're going to try to do here is we're going to take a video we've got from YouTube, a city council meeting. We're going to try to transcribe it and then take that transcription and see if we can't put it into maybe meeting minutes for a city council meeting. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how this works. This is my first time playing with it, so we're going to learn as we go and hope you enjoy. So first thing it says, we've already signed up for an account and there's different options for this. You can get a free version that has under, I think, about 15 minutes worth of videos or video length. And there's other more progressive tiers as you get more video content, you pay a little more. So I went ahead and paid for the first option, that up to 60 minutes of video processing. And I have a video here that's about 50 minutes long. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. We're going to upload this video. I have the link here, so let's go ahead and grab this one right here and let's see what happens. Okay, the video is uploaded now, and now it's getting the video data to be able to put through and grab our transcripts for this. So it's going to ask us, your video is now ready to be transcribed using machine learning. Word grouping inside subtitles 1 by 1, 3 to 4, full sentence, auto detect language. Let's go with full sentence. That way we can kind of see the full capabilities of it. And if we need to scale back, let's go to the full amount right away. Okay, so the video finished downloading here, and we can see the different, you can add segments here, went through the whole entire thing here. We have this whole document, all the different versions here. Great, 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 great. Perfect. So let's go ahead and export this as, let's see, what kind of file can we export this as? Let's do a video with subtitles. And now that that one's downloaded, let's go ahead and also take a look at the SRT subtitle file as well here. And then let's go ahead and go over to ChatGPT and see what we can do with uploading this, and if we can't create a minutes document from this. So here we are in ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and upload that file and see if we can create a minutes document with it. Okay, now the file is uploaded, and I'm going to say, I am a city clerk. Please help me create the minutes from this video transcript of a city council meeting. Let's see what we can do. See if we can create this minutes file. So these are things that I think are important: opening information, agenda items, and so on and so forth. Yep, related to a fire station project. Remember, I didn't put anything about the context of what it was about in a ChatGPT, but it correctly identified fire station project, including the individuals who were part of that meeting there within that city. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this and what ChatGPT can help us create here. Give me the meeting details, location, attendees, agenda here. Look at this, folks. In a matter of brief seconds, by simply uploading the document into the video rather into Vscoped, creating that transcript, and now we've created this brief overview, kind of a simple draft minutes. And obviously we can go into more detail if we need to, but you can see just how quickly we were able to put all this together in a matter of a few seconds. It's absolutely incredible. Let's see if we can go one step further and see if we can get it to review the whole entire thing. Let's say, please review the entire file and create the full meeting minutes. Okay, now it has a more detailed draft of the meeting minutes. Again, the date and time location wasn't obvious. Maybe it's not in the metadata. It doesn't specify within the document there. Perfect. And it's even telling me who these individuals are based on what it thinks. I'm really curious. I have to go back and actually watch the entire video to see if they're accurate in terms of the roles here, right? It mentions that Valerie Tam might be the project engineer. Chris Ford might be a consultant from BRW Architects, as is Chris Sano, which is really interesting that he's even picking up that information. Again, I'd have to go back and double check to see if it's accurate, but the fact that it's trying to make that connection is pretty powerful, pretty amazing. So again, you need to put the meeting adjourned there within the time frame, gives me some action decisions, some next steps and follow-ups. There's some discussion points there. A really cool tool that we can use. Again, combining the power of ChatGPT along with this other AI tool, Vscoped, to be able to quickly create meeting minutes and summarize this information. It doesn't have to be meeting minutes. Maybe you're kind of skeptical about doing this for an official city council meeting here, but just think about the different meetings that you might have with your team or things like that, and you want to maybe you have a team member that's not able to be at that meeting. The ability to record a meetings, right, which we're able to do, we can record it through the Vscoped, where we can quickly generate the transcripts for that meeting, then put it into ChatGPT to create a quick summary of that meeting, and then you can send it out to your team who may have missed that meeting. And that way they kind of get the high level overview of what the meeting was all about, or here's what happened in the meeting, or maybe you yourself are going to be able to participate in a meeting, but you want to know what's going on, you want to be involved with it, but for whatever reason, maybe a different meeting came up or different priorities came up, so you can't make it. Maybe you're ill that day or something like that, but you still want to know, hey, how did the project go? It's an important meeting for your city. So this is some really great tools, and your imagination is your limitation in terms of how it can be used. Those are just two real quick ideas at the top of my head. Is summarizing official council meetings or board meetings, or even just summarizing regular staff meetings. That way, all your staff is understanding what's the high level, what needs to be worked on, what are the discussion points, what are the takeaways. Just a really fascinating tool. Really hope you enjoy this. And until next time, please like and subscribe. And I really hope you enjoy learning more about how we can unlock ChatGPT and other forms of generative AI like Vscoped for the public sector and local governments.